Welcome to this highly anticipated video of mine on where I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I'm making thousands of dollars every single day trading altcoins. I'm going to show you guys it step by step, no bullshit, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do the exact same thing. So right here on the chart, no bullshit, we can see right now that I am up over $500 on a single trade in the last one day. I opened this trade yesterday and we're already up $500 and it was really freaking easy. We can see that the second trade I opened literally just before this video is currently in a small loss, but that's definitely going to change. Maybe by the end of this video we are already running into a profit, and in this video I will just show you guys everything you need to know in order to make absolutely bank using altcoins in the coming years, especially because the bull run is also incoming. Before I do so, however, the way for you to give back is right now going to the first link in the description and signing up for a Bybit account using my link. I will get a small profit from it. Plus, you will literally get some crazy bonuses if you use my link. You will literally get up to $30,000 completely for free and also 25% of fees, meaning that you will be making even more profit. Also, I am currently showing this method over on Bybit, and Bybit is also the only crypto exchange this method actually works on. Of course, you can still try it on different exchanges, but I wouldn't recommend it. Bybit is the exchange you need for this method to work 100% completely perfect, so make sure to sign up using the link in the description. Alright, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. The first thing you need to do in order for this to make it work is going right here in the top right corner of your screen and clicking on market and then clicking on market overview. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on derivatives right here. And what we have right here are the top gainers on the Bybit platform, and that's what we're going to look at right now. Then you want to click right here on the 24-hour change, and now we can see all the top gainers, a list of the top gainers over on Bybit. Then what you simply want to do is you want to look at the top 3 top gainers right here. For example, 1000 Starroll, Poly, X and 1000 Floki are currently trending. But if you don't like those coins or if you think those coins are not good enough, then you can also scroll a little bit down, because here you have a lot more coins that are currently starting to pump. And my method is really freaking easy. All I do is I find coins that are currently going up like crazy and I'm just going to trade the trend. We are not going to short any of these coins. All we are going to do is we're going to long the coins that are currently in the top gainers. For example, if we look at this coin 1000 Starroll, we can see right now that if we look at it, we can see that this shit has been going up for the last basically since I've waken up, this shit has been going up. The chances of this then going down when you enter are really small, because the trend is currently up, and as long as it doesn't have any support or any resistance areas, like big resistance areas, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can see that in a second, then this is basically free money, because trading the trend is the easiest way to make money using crypto, and especially on these altcoins, because this shit is currently up 67% in the last 24 hours, which is crazy. With 10x leverage, that is more than 600%. And that's also exactly what I did with my trade right here. We can actually see that I was actually trading this exact coin just a few hours before this video. And we can see I opened a position right here, a longing position, and closed it perfectly right here. And I made another like $200 right there. It's so freaking easy. And if you are scared that this shit is going to come down exactly when you enter, which is really small, because this shit has been pumping for the last like 12 hours, the chances of it then going down really hard exactly when you enter, like I said, are really small. Then what you simply can do is you can head over to TradingView. And TradingView is a completely free app. You can just go type in TradingView and you can immediately use it. So what we're going to do is we are going to type in the crypto coin we are right now searching, which is this one, of course. And we can see that right now we have been going up like crazy. Basically since yesterday this shit has been pumping slowly, and the chances are that this will keep on pumping. So what my strategy right here will be is just simply buying the trend. So I will simply open a long position right around this level, and I will look for the biggest area of resistance. And we can see right now that there is not much resistance right here. all the way till this level right here. And what you can also do, if you know how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can simply add a Fibonacci retracement tool as well, and you can see right now that the biggest area of resistance is exactly lining up with the Fibonacci retracement tool around the 0.066 cents area, meaning that this will probably keep on pumping all the way till the 6 cents area, especially because it's also in an uptrend. And if you are still not sure if it's actually going to go up, then of course what you can do is simply head into the 5-minute chart just like this. And then what you can simply do is you can place a long position right here with a target and of course your stop loss. So for example, if you think that it's going to crash when it comes lower than this, making a potential lower low, then you can simply add a stop loss right here and a take profit right here, and it's a risk to reward ratio of exactly 2, which is really decent. And if this does decide to get a take profit hit, then you are going to make a shit load of money. And this is just one example, and I literally showed you guys that I was also doing the exact same thing just a few hours before. It's so freaking easy, and trust me, the system might look a little bit like unsafe or a little bit high risk, but that's just what it is about. However, these coins just continue to pump once they start pumping, because the funding rates are going to go crazy, and this will most likely keep on pumping. And once it does decide to not keep on pumping, it will not immediately drop. That's the best part of all these coins. All these coins, most of the time, if they do decide to pump like crazy, they at least go a few hours sideways before dropping to the downside. And that is what the beauty is about these coins. So for example, right here, you saw this massive consolidation phase. What you could have simply done is you could have entered right around, somewhere around this level, and just a stop loss under this low right here, in case we do decide to make a lower low, and then just ride it risk-free to the upside. That is literally exactly what I did right here, and there are so many more coins you can do this with. For example, another coin that has been going crazy the last few days is TRB. We can see right now that's actually a coin I also have my position on. We can just see that this shit has been pumping for basically all the way since the 4th of September. This shit has been going up. That's more than a month and a half of straight up only. Meaning that if you enter right now, the chances of this just going up even more are really likely, because what are the chances that in those 1.5 months this shit didn't drop more than 10% in one day, and now it will randomly will? Well, the chances are really small, but that's why we even are still going to use a longing position with a stop loss, of course. So what you simply do is, for example, you can simply put your stop loss just under this wick. When you see this wick, you simply want to leave the trade, because that will mean it will maybe put it into a small downtrend, and you can just ride this risk free to whatever our next target of resistance is going to be. So if we look at the chart right here, just like this, we can see right now that this is a really good entry, because we are right now consolidating, and the last few times we have been consolidating, we can see that we have been consolidating and then slowly starting to go up even more. And it might not look like much, but this shit went up 27% after that. So right now I'm in this exact trade right here. We can see I'm currently down about $29, but that's completely fine, because I think this will continue to pump. What you simply do is you want to put a long position and a short position just under the low in order to avoid a lower low, and then you can look at a higher time frame in order to see where our next area of resistance is going to be. And we can see right now there's no resistance at all in the next couple of like 20 to 30% move. So you simply put your stop loss, take profit at the next area of support, just like this, which is going to be absolutely insane. It's going to be a 4% risk to reward, which is completely crazy. And then we can also see right now that that's going to be our take profit. But like I said, these coins don't really tend to dump immediately once they top out. We can see right here, this coin topped out, we saw some big wicks, but after that it even went even higher, and even then it topped out. However, we had an entire day of consolidation before the actual big drop happened. And that's the best part about this trading strategy. I hope I gave some information on how I'm doing this. I'm literally doing it right now as I'm speaking, and we can see when I started this video I was more than $36 in a loss. Right now only $22, and we can see that this consolidation phase is most likely going to break to the upside, because why wouldn't it? It's so freaking easy. easy. So if you want to try it out, go sign up for the first link in the description using my link for a Bybit account, and you can try it out yourself. Just use a little bit of risk management and a little bit of your own knowledge, and that's all you need to do. So I hope you gave some useful information in this video, and if I did so, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube crypto tutorial video.